Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to rotate a video in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, turn on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. Make sure everything is ready before you proceed with rotating your video. Once your PC is up and running, navigate to your Windows desktop or open File Explorer to locate the video file you want to rotate. This could be anywhere on your computer, whether it's in your Downloads folder, Documents, or saved directly on your desktop. Once you've found the video file, right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, hover your cursor over the option that says Open With. This will expand another menu showing different programs you can use to open the video. From this list, select VLC Media Player. Now, if you don't see VLC Media Player in the list, it means you haven't installed the software yet. In that case, you'll need to download and install VLC Media Player first before continuing with this tutorial. It's a free, powerful media player that works great for tasks like this. After opening your video in VLC Media Player, take a look at the top part of the player window. You'll see several menu options displayed there. Click on Tools and a drop-down menu will expand. From the list of options that appears, click on Effects and Filters. This will open a new window with various settings you can adjust. In the Effects and Filters window, click on the Video Effects tab. Under this tab, you'll notice another set of tabs beneath it. Click on the one labeled Geometry. This is where you'll find the rotation controls for your video. Under the Geometry tab, you'll directly see the Rotate option. However, before you can use it, you need to activate it first. Click on the Transform checkbox. Once you do this, a drop-down selection will become active, showing you preset rotations that you can use immediately. These presets include standard angles like 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and so on. If these preset angles work for your needs, simply select one and your video will rotate accordingly. But if you need a more specific or custom rotation angle for your video, click on the Rotate checkbox instead. This will give you full control over the rotation. You'll see a circular slider that allows you to adjust the angle by dragging it around. Simply drag the circle to rotate your video to exactly the angle you want. This is especially useful if you need a precise adjustment rather than a standard preset angle. Once you've configured the rotation to your liking, click Save to apply the changes. Your video will now be rotated to the angle you selected. And that's it. You've successfully rotated your video in Windows 11 using VLC Media Player. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.